Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire LIGHT part number 53044988578. Frigidaire LIGHT part number 53044988578 is a replacement light bulb for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is a 40-watt, 120-volt, A15 appliance bulb. This light bulb is designed to fit in the refrigerator's interior light socket and provides illumination for the interior of the refrigerator. It is made of durable glass and features a medium base that fits into most standard sockets. This light bulb is designed to last up to 1,500 hours and can be used in both top freezer and side-by-side refrigerators. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement light bulb for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It is used to replace a burned out or malfunctioning light bulb in the refrigerator. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the light cover from the refrigerator by gently pulling it off. 3. Disconnect the wiring harness from the old light bulb and remove it from the refrigerator. 4. Insert the new light bulb into the socket and connect the wiring harness to it. 5. Place the light cover back onto the refrigerator and secure it with screws if necessary. 6. Plug in your refrigerator and turn on the power switch to test out your new Frigidaire LIGHT part number 53044988578. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.